You've made some inquiries and you've received a few quotes. You've now given it some thought. Now you're thinking of creating a DIY website for your business because you believe it'll save you money. I mean, how difficult can it be? Look, I'm going to cut to the chase here. Web design is not something you can pick up in the afternoon. And what about the technical functions and the legal requirements that a business website must comply with? You can't learn how to design and build a business website without years of good experience. A business website is about the following 7 key elements. Number 1, it's about how it looks. Number 2, it's about how it makes people feel. Number 3, it's about how it makes people act. Number 4, it's about user experience. Number 5, it's about the character of your business. Number 6, it's about your message to the world. And number 7, above all else, website design is about building trust so that visitors to your website want to contact you and spend their money with you. The research shows building your own website takes around 55 hours at a minimum. As a business owner, how much do you charge for your services? £35, £45, £55 per hour? So even if we assume it took you 55 hours to build your own website at £35 an hour, it actually cost you £1,950. How does that compare with the quotes you received? And it still looked naff, unprofessional and lacking any credibility. And let's be honest, even in a world of DIY, nobody wants anything to actually look DIY, especially your business website. So as an idea, it'd be worth giving it a bit more thought. For instance, use those 55 hours to develop and build your business rather than create something that would just damage your business image. Because that was never part of your business plan, really, was it?